Step into a world of unparalleled student living at the Albion, one of Sheffield's premier student accommodations, offering an unparalleled living experience. Situated near St. George's Square City Centre Park, this property features a range of non-ensuite shared apartments, ideal for those seeking comfort and convenience. Each meticulously furnished apartment boasts spacious living areas with plush sofas, smart TVs, and modern kitchens with essential appliances like dishwashers and washing machines. Every detail at the Albion has been carefully considered to meet the needs of student life. Whether it's relaxing in the beautiful large private outdoor patio or utilizing the abundant storage space in the cellar, students will find it a haven of relaxation and productivity. With the University of Sheffield a mere 5-minute stroll away and Sheffield Hallam University just an 8-minute drive, you'll never have to worry about getting late. Surrounded by picturesque parks like Crooks Valley Park and Edward Street Park, you can easily immerse yourself in the city's rich history and natural beauty. For those seeking entertainment and culinary delights, Perch Brewhouse and Jimmy's Kitchen beckon with their tantalizing offerings just a stone's throw away. And with Tesco Express nearby, daily necessities are never far from reach, ensuring a hassle-free living experience at the Albion. So why wait? Visit amberstudent.com and secure your dream home at the Albion Student Accommodation today.